Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Cadillac Escalade key fob. First, gather all key fobs you want to program, including any existing ones. Make sure your vehicle's battery is in good condition. This simple method allows you to add new fobs or reprogram old ones without special tools. It's a quick process that can save you time and money. To begin, ensure all doors are completely closed. Insert your key into the ignition, but do not turn it yet. Now, locate the unlock button on the driver's side door panel. You will need to press and hold this button down throughout the next few steps. This action prepares your vehicle to enter programming mode. While still holding the driver's door unlock button, turn the ignition key to the on position, then immediately to OFF, and repeat this sequence once more. After the second OFF, release the unlock button. Your vehicle should then chime, indicating it has successfully entered the key fob programming mode. This chime is your signal to proceed. Now, take the first key fob you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the fob. Continue holding them for approximately 15 seconds. You will hear a chime from the vehicle, confirming that the fob has been programmed. Repeat this exact step for every additional key fob you need to program. Once all fobs are done, turn the ignition to on to exit programming mode.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.